Hi, this is Purnima, and I've completed my BSc long back, and I worked in a law firm. After having a 2 to 3 years of break, I wanted to start a new business or something, to become an entrepreneur or something. So, thought of learning new things, new skills. So I've decided to learn fashion designing. Though I didn't know anything about fashion designing, I wanted to learn and I wanted to achieve something. When I Google for a good fashion designing institute, teaching institute, have come across this dresser boutique and institute. After coming and inquiring here, we just thought I just want to give a shot. Like I wanted to try something new. So I joined, and from the basic and from the scratch, they taught me, like I didn't even know the measuring tape. So from the scratch they taught me how to measure body measurements, drafting, and how to hold a tape and all. Everything they taught me very well, and now I'm confident enough to say that I can even draft new design and new pattern. Whatever the pattern I can get, I can design and I can stitch on my own. And whatever the pattern we get it to learn from here. They taught us like it is like nothing. It is very easy, and aram se we can do that. Like that much confidence they'll give us, and we will learn so many new things here. Thank you.